Hello friends, my name is Nirav Dharod and today I am going to speak about the term insurance plan. So what are the features of this insurance plan? What are the benefits of this insurance plan? What are the riders or the add-ons offered along with this and why one should definitely have it? What is the term insurance plan? So it is a pure life insurance plan which offers financial assistance on the death of the insured person. If you opt along with some riders or add-ons, the financial assistance is also provided in such cases like critical illness or additional accidental covers. The plan is valid for the tenure of the policy selected by you. In this case, the amount is received by the family members. So this is usually taken to prevent any financial hardship of the family in case something happens to the key earning member of the family. This is a must-have policy for those who is a sole or a single earning person in the family. So let's see what are the benefits of the term life insurance. So it is the first one is the highest cover at the lowest cost. So as I told you, this is a pure life insurance plan and no money back scheme or investment scheme is attached to it. This offers the high cover amount at the lowest premiums. The other benefit is the flexibility of the cover. So flexibility of the cover means ki you can opt for the insurance amount of, let's say, as less as 10 lakhs to 1 crore or even higher than that. Other benefit is that low claim rejection ratio. As I told you that the trigger for this policy to get mature is the death of the insured person. The claim rejection ratio is very less in case of term life insurances. Let me tell you, some policies also cover suicides after a certain period of years. Additional riders. So I will speak about this in detail going ahead. Then the other benefit is that the no brokerage for online plans. So as you know that this is very simple kind of a insurance plan. Nobody needs to have a better explanation from the insurance agents or anybody. So most of the insurance companies offer the online plans or popularly known as the e-term plans. So because of the elimination of the brokers or the agents, these plans are comparatively cheaper and the premiums are even lesser than the offline plans. Peace of mind, this is most important one. Let me tell you that many financial goals of the family are based on the assumption of the income to be earned over multiple years. But there is always a risk if something accidental happens to that person. However, if you buy a term insurance, your long-term goals are insured. Next is the tax benefit. As you all know that the purchase of the policy or the insurance premium amount is allowed as a deduction and you get a tax benefit. So these are the additional features of the riders which are offered along with the pure term insurance plan. The first one is the cover for critical illness. So if you buy the cover for critical illness along with the basic term insurance plan, you also get certain amount when you fall ill because of some critical illness. For example, it may be a cancer or a paralysis or some other disease which are covered by the policy. Next offering is the cover for accidental death or disability. So when something happens to you, if you die or something disability is occurred due to accident, and if you have chosen this cover, the sum insured automatically increases and you get a higher payout in case of an accident. The third feature usually comes along with it is the multiple payout option. So when the insurance amount is to be given to the policyholder's family, the options are given in form of monthly income so that there is a continuous flow of income to the family of the insured person. So I hope you have understood the concept and the benefits of this insurance. I would definitely like to suggest you to obtain this policy if you are a single earning member or a key earning member of the family. You can check the quotes online as most of the insurance companies offer it online. So let me take you to the website of Kotak Life Insurance. Here you can see under these online plans you can find this Kotak e-term plan. If you click on that page and click on buy online, it will take you to the calculator. Here it is showing the term insurance plan plus critical illness and plus disability. So I will select male for myself, tobacco user no, my date of birth. So after entering my gender, my date of birth, my name, mobile number, email ID, I will click on view quote and here it is showing the annual premium amount of 8,400. The coverage amount you can see here is 1 crore. The policy term is 45 years. The premium payment period is also 45 years. And the annual premium for 1 crore of policy amount is 8,400 only. So you can surely compare it to your existing insurance plan and look at it. So this was from Kotak Life Insurance. I will take a couple of more insurance companies' websites to have a check on the quote. So here we have landed on the website of HDFC Life Insurance. So here also you can go and browse for the term plan. Again, you have to put your name, your gender, your date of birth. This website also asks whether you are NRI or no, tobacco usage or no, mobile number, email id. Email id I am using it random because I don't want any promotion call. And again, if you click on next, they'll show you the premium of 1 crore rupees. Again, they're asking you some further things for add-ons or additional things, riders, which I told you. So they are offering a policy period of 55 years. That is my current age of 30 plus 55 years, so it covers me up till the age of 85 years. I'm selecting here the annual premium option. Yeah, and this website shows the annual premium amount of 27,000. Because the policy term is higher, the amount is also high. And here they are giving an option of add-ons also. So in case of death, this is 1 crore rupees. In case of death by accident, you will receive twice the amount, that is 2 crore rupees. If you untick this permanent disability, your premium amount will be reduced to the extent of 319 rupees. So it's come close to 26,800 rupees, and this is inclusive of taxes. So here is the summary. 1 crore rupees amount payable at death. Policy term is 55 years, that is until the 85 years of age, and payment is annual premium. So this is annual premium until age 85. Please remember, this is additional accidental cover, hence it is comparatively higher. So 2 crores for accident and 1 crore for nominal. So we have seen Kotak, we have seen HDFC Life. Let me take you to one more website. Yeah, the other one is the SBI Life Insurance website. So here I have landed on the SBI Life eShield term plan, which is their product, to calculate the premium amount. So you can see the sum assured amount is rupees 1 crore, and again here you will fill the. I have kept the policy term 45 years. So yearly premium, age 30, my date of birth, non-smoker, male gender, the other details, my name, email ID, mobile number. Please don't try this mobile number. This is incorrect one. And I click on calculate premium. So here it shows me the basic level cover, that it is a death or diagnosis of terminal illness, whichever is earlier. So the amount is close to 15,000 rupees. The sum assured is again 1 crore rupees. If you try to increase the cover rate by 10% of at the end of every fifth year, the premium is increasing. However, this will take care of the inflation part, and hence this facility is provided here. So basically all different type of insurance companies will give you a slightly different product in terms of term plan. So you can look at it, you can select it as per your requirement. I hope you have understood the concept and you have checked out the premium amount. So you can look at it, you can compare your existing policies, and you can go for it. Many other insurance companies also offer the same. Do not delay it. So the only drawback is that you lose the premium if nothing happens to you, but it is definitely worth for a peace of mind. So if you like the information, please like it and subscribe it. This will motivate us to get the more personal finance stuff to you. Thank you.